Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is presently speaking. Let's listen into what does she have to say.
ভিডিও থেকে শুরু করে ফরেনসিক ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে শুরু করে সবাইকে ইনভলভ করা হয়েছে যাতে খুনিকে
As it appears, speaking on specifically the rape and murder case also that has unfolded. So let's go across and we'll soon have one of our colleagues translating what Mamata Banerjee has to say. Remember the brutal rape and murder of a 31-year-old.
লেনা দেনা কিছু নেই, আমি প্রথম দিন থেকেই বলছি, কিন্তু ওদের সাকসেস রেট খুব কম। তাপসী মালিককে যখন খুন করে হত্যা করা হয় ধর্ষণ করে, আজ পর্যন্ত বিচার হয়নি। সিঙ্গুরে এটা হয়েছিল, নন্দীগ্রামে যখন 14 জন গুলিতে মারা যায় বা 10 জন হারিয়ে যায়, আজও তারা ফিরে আসেনি। এই কেসগুলো সিবিআই এর হাতে ছিল, রিজাউনের কেসও ছিল, একটা কেসেরও বিচার হয়নি। এমনকি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরের নোবেল প্রাইজ চুরি হয়েছিল, সেই কেসটাও ছিল, মানুষ কোনো বিচার পায়নি। কিন্তু তবু মানুষের স্যাটিসফ্যাকশনের জন্য যদি কেউ ভাবতে পারে যে পুলিশ ঠিক মতো করতে পারছে না, যদিও ক্যালকাটা পুলিশ ইজ দ্য বেস্ট পুলিশ ইন দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড, তাদের তদন্তের যে সিস্টেমটা এবং সবচেয়ে ভালো অফিসারকে লাগানো হয়েছে সমস্ত কিছু দিয়ে, আমরা রোববার পর্যন্ত সবাইকে ডাকবো, আমাদের পুলিশ ডাকবে, এটা বিনীত বলবে, আমি বিনীতকে বলতে আহ্বান জানাচ্ছি।
আমরা অলরেডি যে ইনভেস্টিগেশন প্রসেসের মধ্যে যারা যারা ওই পিওর কাছাকাছি ছিলেন, কোনো ধরনের কোনো কানেকশন আছে, ইনভলভমেন্ট আছে, প্রত্যেকটা লোককেই ডাকা হচ্ছে এবং ডাকা হবে যদি কারো না ডাকা হয়ে থাকে। এবং আমরা অলরেডি একটা হেল্পলাইন নাম্বার শুরু করেছি, ওর মধ্যে ডাক্তাররাও আমাদেরকে বলতে পারেন, অ্যানোনিমাসলি বলতে পারেন, ফিজিক্যালি এসে বলতে পারেন। যদি কারো
if doctors suspect somebody, they can call us on that number anonymously and provide us information.
উনি ওনার ভিউটা জেনে গেছেন, আমিও আজকে এসেছি, ম্যাডাম এখানে এসেছেন, আমরা ওনার ভিউটা জেনে গেছি।
We have come here with the Chief Minister, we have spoken to the family. We are in touch with the family. We are confident we will be able to arrest if there are more people involved within the next few days.
Right, so Bengal Chief Minister ensuring that she sends out a message that there will be an independent investigation, that there will be swift justice in this case as well. Indrajit Kundu is joining me for the latest on that. Indrajit, amid the demand for a CBI that's coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party, from the doctors as well, can you tell us exactly what did Mamata Banerjee say and what kind of assurance has she sent in for the people?
Well, Pooja, this is the second time that the Chief Minister has spoken to the family. She had earlier spoken to the family over phone, and today she personally visited the family, which is in Shodhpur, just outskirts of Kolkata in North 24 Pargana district. What is crucial is that the Chief Minister has just announced that she will wait till Sunday, and if the Kolkata police is not able to crack the entire case, then she will be handing over the case to the CBI. However, she said that there is some amount of skepticism with the central agency because they have not, their track record isn't very good. And she, of course, did refer to the Taposhi Malik rape and murder case during her Shingur agitation, which she said still remains unsolved. The Kolkata police, on its part, the police commissioner was accompanying the Chief Minister, Vineet Goyal. He said that they are doing all possible, taking all possible measures to crack the case. In fact, the main suspect, the prime suspect, is already arrested, and they are saying that if there are more people who may have been involved in this serious crime will also be arrested within the next few days, is what the Kolkata Police Commissioner has said. Mamata Banerjee, when she came out, she said that they are in touch with the family and they are trying to figure out other people because she suspects, and she says the family has told them that there could have been an inside job. So therefore, she said that more students will be spoken to, all those who were her batchmates, the victims' batchmates. They are being grilled, they are being interrogated by the Kolkata police. That process is underway. So the moot point remains that the Chief Minister has categorically stated she has given a timeline to the Kolkata police. If they cannot crack the entire case by Sunday, then the case would be handed over to the central agency. CBI is what Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has just announced at the residence of the Kolkata rape victims.
Indrajit, so clearly, perhaps it's the Chief Minister realizing also the gravity and the sensitivity of the situation. But tell me this, what precisely is the reason of the protests right now? If the accused have been arrested, the investigation has already started in it. What is the reason that in Kolkata and, of course, in Pan-India, the protests that have broken out by the doctors?
Well, doctors are, angry, Pooja, and quite understandably so. Look at this case. This happened at their workspace. A woman doctor, a young doctor, aspiring to be a professional in the medical scenario. She was practicing at a state-run, a government hospital, and she faces this kind of a heinous act. She was raped and murdered is what, initial reports from the police suggest. So therefore, it has sent shockwaves across West Bengal. Doctors across government colleges, government medical colleges are on strike, and they are demanding a safe and secure work environment. Because the entire anger has now boiled down to this case. Because on earlier instances, we have seen that there is heavy load on junior doctors across state-run hospitals. And whenever there is a death of a patient, there is often the allegation that people take law into their own hands. Junior doctors are, always facing the brunt of the anger of deceased patient parties. And I think this is a universal case, not just in West Bengal, but across the country.
And clearly,
So
all doctors perhaps have likely felt a connect to it. It could have been anyone who was to follow a 31-year-old trainee young doctor. And also remember that each one of them also need a moment to rest because they work beyond hours, sometimes more than 24 hours at a stretch, and it's a grueling time. Plus, of course, it's not only mind-numbing, time-consuming, it's a difficult profession to be in, and then to not even find safety in your own workspace, a hospital, which is supposed to be the safest space, to think that a woman doctor can be raped and murdered. Absolutely horrific. Thank you very much for now, Indrajit. There are more demands that have come in from the doctors on this, and they're asking for a CBI probe and more action by the government.